क्लास 9th। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट 67 पार्ट बी करेंगे, जो हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 2 सोशलिज्म इन यूरोप एंड द रशियन रेवोल्यूशन से रिलेटेड है। ये रिवीजन 2 वर्कशीट है। इस वर्कशीट में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 to 20 करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 to 20 हम करेंगे इसमें। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 से। व्हाट वाज लेनिन्स अप्रैल थीसिस? एक्सप्लेन। तो इसका आंसर होगा द टर्म अप्रैल थीसिस related to the three demands made by Lenin on his return from exile to Russia in April 1917. War should be, तो फर्स्ट जो था इसके अंदर वो था war should be brought to an end. Land should be transferred to the peasants. Third, banks to be nationalized. So he wanted the Bolshevik party to rename itself the Communist Party to indicate its radical aims. However, many other members of Bolshevik party were initially surprised by the April thesis. They thought it was not the right time for socialist revolution and the provisional government should be supported. But the development of subsequent months changed their attitude. Now question number 12. The Russian Revolution of 1905 formed the basis of the October Revolution of 1917. Justify the statement. Now answer number 12. The Revolution of 1905 proved to be a dress rehearsal of the Revolution of 1917. This revolution inspired the Menshevik leaders to develop organization for workers and launch a protest against the Tsar and his policy of participating in the war. The Russian Revolution of 1917 involved the collapse of an empire under Tsar Nicholas II and the rise of Marxian socialism under Lenin and his Bolsheviks. It sparkled the beginning of a new era in Russia that had effects on countries around the world. Socialism and political unrest swept the Russian Empire in 1905, forcing the autocratic Tsarist regime to grant the creation of a popularly elected legislative body, Duma. However, the army remained largely loyal to the Tsar, unlike in the war condition of 1917, and regime did not become steady and fell down. Now we'll do question number 13. What are the global effects, which social and economic changes occurred in Europe during 19th century? What contribution of industrial development, what was the contribution of industrial development in them? Now question number 13. So question number 13 is, in 19th century, industrialization began in Europe. Industrialization brought a new class into being. The industrial workers, they lived in misery. The workers had no political rights and no means of gaining even minor reforms. Work hours were long, wages were poor, and unemployment common. Middle class and the intellectuals were also opposed and united against the exploitative system based on privileges. The poor peasantry and working class were burdened with taxes. Industry in Russia developed largely due to foreign investment. Foreign investors were only interested in quick profit at the expense of workers. Now question number 14. Describe the factors responsible for the Russian Revolution. So answer number 14. Factors responsible for Russian Revolution. 1. The war showed Russia was incapable of carrying on a modern war. 2. The war showed Russia lacked adequate railroad to provide transportation to the Russian army, and the industry was inadequate to equip and meet warfare needs of the army. Third, large casualties disheartened the war-tired soldiers. With able-bodied men being called to serve in the army, there were labor shortages, leading to shutdown of industries producing essential goods. Fourth, large supplies of grain to feed the army had its impact on the supply of bread and flour in cities. Fifth, Russian industry was dependent on other countries and was cut off from other supplies of industrial goods. Thus, the war led to untold miseries, breakdown of the economy, and ultimately to the discredit of the government and the Tsar. Now, question number 15. What are the global effects of the Russian Revolution? Answer number 15. The Russian Revolution paved the way for the rise of communism as an influential political belief system around the world. In many countries, communist parties were formed, like the Communist Party of Great Britain. It set the stage for the rise of Soviet Union as a world power that would go head to head with the United States during the Cold War. This was answer number 15. Now we will do question number 16. What was Lenin's contribution to the Russian Revolution? Answer number 16. First, Lenin was a leader of the Bolshevik party. He was committed revolutionary and prepared to take desperate measures to defend the revolution. Second, Lenin on his return from exile organized the Bolshevik party to take over the reign of the government. Third, he put forward clear politics to end the Russia's participation in the World War I, transfer of land to the tiller, and popularized the slogan, all power to the Soviet. Fourth, he proclaimed the right of all peoples on November 7, 1970 with the fall of Kerensky's government. Lenin became the head of the world's first communist state. Now question number 17. How did the Russian Revolution affect Russian society? Why did the situation of civil war in the country become after the revolution? So answer number 17. Effects of Russian Revolution. First, autocracies ended in Russia. Second, socialism established in Russia. Third, control of industries were transferred to a committee of workers. Land was given to the peasant to be cultivated for the benefit of the state. Fourth, all means of production, mines, transport, banks and insurance company, etc. were nationalized. The situation of civil war in the country after the revolution. Over the period of time, Russia became a one-party state. Bolshevik Party. Steps taken by Bolshevik was creating tension among the Russian society. People joined and supported Bolshevik because they stood for socialism and change. The censorship by Bolshevik discouraged people. This attitude of Bolshevik Party, along with other factors, created a situation of civil war in Russia. Now question number 18. Which major changes did the Bolshevik make immediately after the October Revolution? Now answer number 18. The main changes brought by the Bolsheviks immediately after the October Revolution were: first, the Bolsheviks were totally opposed to private property. Therefore, most industries and banks were nationalized. 2. Land was declared social property. And peasants were allowed to seize the land of the nobility. Now question number 19. Compare the February Revolution and the October Revolution of 1917 in Russia. So answer number 19. February Revolution was a liberal revolution. This revolution was violent with over 1,000 people being killed in the bloody overthrow of the Tsar. Whereas October Revolution was a socialist revolution. However, far from the bloody struggle one might expect when hearing the word socialism, Lenin seized power without a fight. Now, question number 20. What was the impact of First World War on Russia? Elaborate. Answer number 20. First World War badly hit the Russian industry. Russia's own industry was few in number and the country was cut off from the other supplies of industrial goods by German control of Baltic Sea. Industrial equipment disintegrated more rapidly in Russia than elsewhere in Europe. By 1916, railway lines began to break down. Able-bodied men were called up to the war. As a result, there were labor shortages and small workshops producing essentials were shut down. Large supplies of grains were sent to feed the army. Thus, bread and flour becomes scarce. So this was on answer number 20. तो हमारी वर्कशीट 67 पार्ट बी ख़त्म होती है. इस वर्कशीट में हमने 11 to 20 क्वेश्चन अटैम्प्ट किए हैं. 1 to 10 क्वेश्चन हमारे वर्कशीट 67 पार्ट ए